Hey everyone, this is Ivan Santiago, your Central Florida Realtor. I'm on location again in the community of Sunbridge. We are on the, not the corner, but the border of Osceola and Orange County, right between St. Cloud, well we are in St. Cloud, but right on the cusp of Lake Nona. This community, Sunbridge, is being developed, the master plan, by the same people that developed Laureate Park. And if you're familiar with this area, or if you haven't seen the videos prior, Laureate Park is basically the heart of Lake Nona, which is a very, very hot area for real estate. But the big focus here is conservation, it's nature. There's some very cool concepts that are being developed here and floated around, surrounding just like walking trails and stuff to get you connected with nature. But the homes here are very high-end homes in this particular part of Sunbridge. Very beautiful homes. The home I'm going to show you behind me is by a builder called Toll Brothers. This is a two-story home. This home is called the Bunnell. Let me make sure. Yep, the Bunnell. And it is roughly around 3,100 square feet. The homes in this community will be having Tesla solar panels for energy. And there's just a lot of wonderful things going on here. So they are being built with wood frames versus cinder blocks. Some people get a little bit questionable on that, but as long as you keep your termite bond up to date and all that, you shouldn't have any issues. But before I go on, if you could take a second, like, subscribe down below. That helps tremendously for the channel to make sure that more and more people get this kind of content coming to you. I'd love to represent you, help your family make your decision. But enough of all that stuff. Let's check out this home. One of the features I love about this home, I love in any home that I see with them, are the sliders. They slide into each other, the patio doors, because it just opens up this space on a cool day to let in the cool breeze. It kind of brings the outside indoors. And in a home like this, having such a beautiful paver patio, pool covered patio, it's just so great for entertaining on a fall day, spring day, when the weather's not a gazillion degrees outside like it is typically in Florida. But no, we do have nice weather here year round, and the best times are probably in the fall and in the spring. So great inside outdoors combination, bringing them together. The upgrades in this home, probably another $70K or higher, and I'm not sure if that includes the beautiful pool that you see. Well, you can't see. Let me take you outside. This pool is utterly beautiful. If you can see, you've got the porch that goes the length of the home. You've got beautiful stone type tiles here. Hot tub. Seating areas if you want to lounge out and not be totally in the pool, but be a little bit cool in the water. Very, very beautiful home. And again, we're in Sunbridge. So if you're interested in this property, you want to find out more information, my information's down below. Feel free to text me, call me, email me, whatever you want to do. Also, leave me some comments. Let me know what you think of the home. Hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon, because that goes a long way in helping the channel grow so that more people see this kind of content. I would love to help be your personal resource as you navigate real estate waters here in Central Florida, whether it's buying, selling, new home, old home, whatever you want, your neighbor's home, whatever it is. And if it's in another market, I can help refer somebody out too. But I'm just here to help be a resource. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for showing the love to the channel, and I will see you on the next video.